In this video, we are going to see that if we want to create a quiz on our YouTube channel so that the other users can respond to it, whether it's a question or game quiz and so on, what you can do is if you're on the YouTube studio, you click on the top right hand corner and click on create. And from here, we click on create post. This will take you to this section where it says the home page, and also we have the post and the community tab. So whether you want to click on post or community tab itself, it's up to you. But from here, we just start writing and we click on add a quiz, and you ask different options for it. Option 1, option 2, and we can ask different options 3, and what is the correct answer? You can mention that as well, that this is the correct one, and you can explain why this is correct. And after that, you can post it, and this will look like this. It's just an example. Let's take an example from ChatGPT. For example, this one. Which planet is known as the red planet? If you want to add this, we just mention this, start the quiz, and we mention different answers, and the correct answer is this one. You can also explain why this is a correct answer. Click on post, and it should look something like this. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.